Hi, my name is Vincent Ardizzone and I'm the Wellness Manager here at the Concord Food Co-op, and I would just like to tell you about some of my favorite products that we sell here in the store. Hey, so I'd like to tell you guys about another product that we sell here that I completely adore is the Chipotle Bitchin Sauce. It's a vegan sauce that is based in almonds and grapeseed oil and Bragg's nutritional yeast and liquid aminos. So it's a relatively healthy snack. It's rich in B vitamins. It's nice for people to have an alternative, I think, to hummus, because the chickpeas can upset some people's digestive system, and I know that I've had responses that way to hummus in the past, so this has been a nice alternative for me. I like to put it on just a bed of greens in place of using a salad dressing, or I'll get some sprouted crackers and just kind of dip and, sit and hang out and enjoy some delicious yet spicy and really kind of healthy snack. So it's a really good choice to come in if you want to maybe have a, not cut down on your snacking, but you want to try something that might be a little bit better for you. So, yep, Chipotle Bitchin Sauce.
If you're in the mood for real food, it's Concord Food Co-op.